Hello and welcome back. This is going to be page number 38. This is going to be exercise number 39, and this exercise is going to be more mental thinking than actually applying lots of equations. Okay, you're going to use many properties for sure. Now it goes like this. In this arithmetic progression sequence of odd number of terms, we know the sum of the first 5 and last 5 terms to be respectively minus 30 and 7 times bigger than that. That is minus 30, okay? But with opposite signal. Okay? Now, what is going to be? What is going to be the value of the middle term? Okay, it's a little bit different, the exercise. So we have this arithmetic progression sequence of odd number of terms, and we know the sum of the first 5 and the last 5 to be minus 30 and 7 times bigger than this one, but with opposite signal. And I want to know the middle term value. Okay, again, pause, think through. You're not going to need pencil or even a paper to solve this one. You can do everything by mental thinking. Okay, and that is idea behind this exercise. It is to tell you that sometimes you don't have to start to plug in every possible formula, because sometimes students, they just love to just plug in formulas. They just love to write formulas and start to substitute. This is here, this is that, and so on. You don't need this now. Okay, you can do it. Yeah, you can use the formulas and substitute everything, but it's going to be very a long exercise. And the idea is try to think with mental thinking. Okay, just use properties wisely, and in the end, I mean, let me give you this challenge: solve this one with less than 15 seconds. Okay, you can take 10 minutes to think, but the answer per se, okay, the answer itself should not take any longer than maybe 10 seconds. Try to do this one in this way. So pause, okay, and I'm going to wait. No problems, take your time. It's going to be fun. Okay, assuming you did your part, let's start. Well, they say in here that we have the sum of the first 5 and the last 5. Well, let's transfer text into math, and this is where students make the biggest mistakes in the exercise. Okay, most of times, I believe probably 70% of the time, your students, they can't transfer this into math. Now, let's write A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. I have no idea what is in between, right? Because I don't know if I have maybe 10 or maybe 20 or maybe 100 terms. It's not being said to us. Now a n minus 4, and let's write the last 5. A n minus 3, a n minus 2, a n minus 1, and finally a n. Okay, so this is going to be our sequence. Let's see the first 5. It is 30, negative 30. If you sum up everybody, it's minus 30. And what about the last 5? Okay, it is 7 times bigger than that, but with opposite signal. So that it is going to be the minus 30 times 7, but with negative symbol, okay, signal. So this is going to be a plus 210. Well, now I'm going to write this, and I want you to think, why am I writing this? Why am I making this summation? Who can tell me first? Of course, this is 180, but why am I doing this? Okay, why? What is the point about knowing this? Well, look, those are the first 5. Those are the last 5. It kind of resembles some equidistant terms, doesn't it? Those summations are equidistant. Now, it kind of reminds me about equidistant term summation. Now, going back, let's see something here. Let's write, I'm going to sum everybody, okay, but now I'm going to sum in a better way that it makes sense to me. Every time it doesn't make sense to you an exercise or anything, try to reorganize it so it does make sense. If I write like this, A1 plus AN plus A2 plus AN minus 1. Look, what I'm doing is this, look. Remember that summation. I mean, just summing, okay? Summing up. Remember, those are symmetrical terms. I didn't end, okay? I'm still going to try to find more colors in here. Let's see if I can find another one. Maybe it's going to be the blue one, okay? At least it's different. Remember? Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. A3 plus, it is the blue one, AN minus 2 plus A4 is the black one plus AN minus 3 plus now A5 plus AN minus 4. Okay, and if I remember, since they are equidistant, they are all going to have the same value when I just sum those. That means that 180, it is just like 5x. We have 5 couples, right? We have 5 terms, 5 in here, 5 in here. They are equidistant. Why? Because those are the first 5, the last 5. So they gotta form equidistant pairs of terms. and therefore I know that x, it is just 36. And that is very interesting. Why is that? Because I know that, look, this is very important. Every symmetrical couple of terms, when added up, when I just sum, okay, those couples, every symmetrical couple of terms, when added up, will have the same sum. In this case, it is going to be exactly 36. Okay, and that's very interesting. Okay, and why is that interesting? If we just take this into account and these other, if we just take the idea that, let's put it like this, because this is a B, okay, because our sequence has odd number of terms, we know that the central term will be just what? Half of the symmetrical summation. How can I put? I'm just going to write like this, right? It's going to be just 36 divided by 2, which is just 18. Okay? I'm going to show you in another paper. This is going to be the answer. Okay? So this is going to be the central term. Okay? And the answer, just to remind you, this property, it is on page 32b. Okay? Why 32b? Because I will have two b's. Okay? 32's, 32a and b. Okay? I'm sorry, just messed it up with the numbering in here. Remember, when we have equidistant terms, oops, I'm sorry. When we have equidistant terms, look here, follow me. 2 and 10, 12. 4 and 8, 12. This is the middle. This is half of 12. In case we have odd number of terms, the central term will be half of the summation. Meaning, the central term will be half the summation of the equidistant terms. We have seen this on page 32b, sorry. Okay. And that is why, as soon as we acknowledge that the summation of each individual pair, symmetrical pair, it is 36, the half is going to be 18. Now, start counting right now. I told you you could do this in less than 15 seconds. All I have to do is this, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. First 5 minus 30. Last 5, it is 7 times 210. 210 minus 30, it's 180, okay? 180 divided by 5, it is just 36. 36 divided by 2, it is 18. Done. Okay, about 20 seconds, 15 seconds, okay? So that's the idea. You see how properties can help us to solve an exercise. Of course, it took a long time and 15 minutes, but we didn't do much math over it, but we use it instead lots of properties, okay? And that's what I want you to learn in math. Let's learn how to interconnect, okay, the topics. Don't study like this. Topic learn in page 5, it only is good for page 5, 6, 7. The equation learned on page 10, it is good, it's just good for page 11, 12, 13. No, don't do this, okay? Try to interconnect math, okay? That is when we're going to see that math, it's really going to push you forwards, okay? That's what I hope you learn in my classes. So thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.